Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel and today I'll show you how to change notification sound on LG Q70 device. So let's first just open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here we'll see the notification sound, and just to change our notification tone we should switch our currently sound to one from these available sounds. Also, you can use your own notification sound just by clicking here to this plus icon on the right upper corner, but how to do that, you just should find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. So after that, just when you select your sound, click to go back, and now we can see that we just changed it successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.